When you know these shapes pretty well, we can add some more to them. This one is a trapezoid. Trapezoid. That trapezoid has a TR blend to it. I know you might think that this is a toy kite, but it's also a geometric shape. Kite. Here we have a shape with 5 sides to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's called a pentagon. It looks a little like a house, doesn't it? Can you see if I put a door here? And this is the roof. Maybe it needs a chimney too. Pentagon. If we add another side to it, 1, I'm starting here at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, this one is called a hexagon. 6 sides on this one. Hexagon. There is a 7-sided figure. I didn't make one though, so I'm skipping over to an 8-sided figure. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides on this one. It's called an octagon. And you probably see that as a stop sign. This one usually says STOP on it, and then you have to stop your car. Octagon. This one is called a parallelogram. It looks like a rectangle. Here, if I did this, it looks like a rectangle that's been pushed on and the sides popped out of it. Here's the rectangle. See, if I pushed on it really hard, it might squish out. That one's called a parallelogram. And then we have the same thing happen to our square. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 sides on our square. See how those are nice and straight? It's kind of like I pinched it here and pushed it out, and it went. And that one is called a rhombus. Those are some of the shapes that you'll see a lot around your house. So if you look around your room, see if you can find shapes that look like these. And maybe even when you're out in your neighborhood too. To extend this exercise of learning the shapes, you might put your colors with it too. Here I have orange. Well, we have an orange octagon. We could say that. And another color, green. What's green here? The green trapezoid, maybe? So a mixture of knowing the shape names and then reinforcing it with the actual word in print, and then probably putting in some of the colors if you have paper that, if you've used paper or your child's toys that actually have a color for the triangle. Maybe it's a red triangle or a green oval. You could go back to some of the phonics that we took before and use some of the blends. Here in this case we have st, we have a star. This could be put here with our stars. And a here we go with the trapezoid again. See the TR? So we have a green trapezoid or a purple triangle. And the could be the square. So as the shapes are introduced, you can also introduce the word itself, a color, and the blends, or the initial first letter, like as in parallelogram, we're featuring the P sound, or the hexagon.